Hey everybody, Bobby Deen here, and I've got a great recipe for you for Valentine's Day. You can involve the kiddos on this one, and this will be for the teachers or for the Sunday school teachers or friends or whomever you want. Strawberry little mini cupcakes. Yeah, strawberry soda mini cupcakes. This is from my mom's magazine, just in time for Valentine's Day. So we're going to use a box cake mix, and we're going to go exactly by the recipe. Super easy. It's a strawberry cake mix, and we're going to use the cake mix recipes call for 3 eggs, oil, and a cup of water. But in place of the water, we're going to use a strawberry soda. So that's going to give us a really nice flavor. So we're just going to make the cake by its own directions. Pop them into our little mini muffin tins here. Hey, Lulu. And then we'll make a strawberry cream for the top. So let's get started. In go the eggs, the oil, and we got company. Hola! And our strawberry soda.
What are you cooking?
Hey, Mama. I'm making strawberry soda mini cupcakes from your magazine.
Oh, good.
And you're just in time to watch me mix. So our cake mix is complete, and now all I have to do is I'm going to use this handy little scoop here and fill up all these mini muffin tins and try not to make a huge mess. Now remember, your cake is going to expand, so about 2/3 of the way is all you're looking for. So they look great. Yep. So now in the oven, 350, I don't know, maybe about 10 minutes. I'll check them and make sure they are perfect. Okay. So we'll come right back. All right. So now for the strawberry buttercream, which is going to start with 2 sticks of butter, of course, 6.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, some strawberry syrup, and just a pinch, just a half teaspoon of strawberry extract. This is going to be a very, very berry flavored cupcake. And you know, you're looking at this, you're going 6.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 sticks of butter. Remember, the cupcakes are mini cupcakes. They're small. So portion control is key here. Our strawberry buttercream looks really, really great. You can see the consistency is kind of thick here and dense. That's going to be really nice right on top of the cupcakes. So we're going to pull the cupcakes out of the oven, let them cool just a little bit, and then we will ice them. The strawberry cupcakes came out beautiful. They're little mini cupcakes. They look great. I've got a piping bag with my buttercream in it. And you can get these bags with the tips already on them at big box stores, so no worries there. Or, you could always use a bag and cut the corner of it. There's ways that you can do it. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and add a little buttercream to each cupcake. And these star tips can really make you look like a pro. Just like that. Look how great our cupcakes look. And with the piping bag, so easy to just look like a pro with that. And then the last little piece right on top, little candies, little conversation candies. Here you go. And you're all ready for Valentine's Day. All right.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.